enjoy my pumpkin cottage cheese muffins any day of the year thanks to pure pumpkin puree found in grocery stores. Preheat your oven and line your muffin tin with papers. Whisk together in a small bowl the flour, cinnamon, baking powder, salt until they're well combined, then set aside. Using a small blender or a stick blender, combine together the cottage cheese and the pumpkin puree and blend the two together until smooth. Transfer to a large bowl and then add to that the eggs, canola oil or any other non-tasting oil, maple syrup for a little bit of sweetness, and whisk those ingredients together until nice and smooth. Add in your dry ingredients and the chopped pecans, and then use a rubber spatula to carefully blend everything together until just combined and still lumpy. Use 2 large spoons or a cookie scoop to divide the batter in the 12 prepared muffin cavities. When the batter is equally divided, place the muffins in the preheated 375 Fahrenheit oven and bake for 25 minutes, checking them after 20 minutes for doneness. Let them cool on a cooling rack for 10 to 15 minutes and enjoy! Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.